Leadership is one of the most critical factors in driving organizational sustainability. Responsible leadership specifically goes beyond traditional notions of management to include a profound sense of accountability towards stakeholders, society, and the environment. According to Peter Northouse, 2019, responsible leadership is characterized by the ability to inspire others while also ensuring ethical conduct and long-term sustainability of the business. But what does responsible leadership look like in practice? At the core, it's about aligning leadership with broader social, environmental, and governance concerns. Corporate social responsibility, CSR, provides a framework for this. John Elkington's Triple Bottom Line, TBL framework, for instance, urges leaders to balance the 3 Ps: people, planet, and profit. Elkington's model is a departure from the traditional focus on profit maximization, suggesting that businesses can only truly succeed if they also address their social and environmental responsibilities. Leaders who embrace CSR are more likely to integrate sustainability into their corporate strategy. An example of this is Unilever, which under the leadership of former CEO Paul Polman, committed to reducing the environmental footprint of its products and operations. Polman's leadership reflects a growing trend where CEOs take direct responsibility for sustainability outcomes, setting targets that go beyond regulatory compliance. Beyond CSR, responsible leadership also embraces ethical leadership. Edward Freeman's stakeholder theory asserts that leaders should prioritize the needs of all stakeholders, not just shareholders. This means considering the impact of business decisions on employees, customers, suppliers, communities, and the environment. Responsible leaders therefore ensure that their decisions benefit a wider range of stakeholders and contribute to the common good. Ethical leadership encourages transparency and trust, which are critical in building sustainable businesses. Harvard Business School professor Rosabeth Moss-Kanter emphasizes that responsible leadership also involves innovation in solving social and environmental problems. She points to companies like Tesla and Interface Carpets that are transforming industries by pioneering clean technologies and circular economy models. Responsible leaders don't just comply with regulations, they seek innovative solutions that can transform industries and create new, sustainable business models. Importantly, responsible leadership requires adaptability. In an era of rapid technological change and shifting societal expectations, leaders must be flexible and able to respond to emerging challenges. As leadership expert Ronald Heifetz suggests in his work on adaptive leadership, responsible leaders must navigate complex problems that have no clear solutions. Climate change, for instance, presents businesses with adaptive challenges that require long-term thinking and innovative solutions. To conclude, responsible leadership is multifaceted. It integrates principles of CSR, ethical decision-making, stakeholder engagement, and innovation. It is about more than just steering the business towards profitability. It's about steering it towards long-term sustainability in every sense of the word. As future leaders, you will be expected to balance these different responsibilities while leading your organizations in a way that is both profitable and responsible.